Buongiorno! Benvenuti sul mio canale. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to speak some Italian today? Ti va di parlare un po' di italiano? Today, you learn something that you can use straight away. In this video, you learn 7 very useful expressions with the verb fare, to do, to make, that everyone should know. Let's get started. Iniziamo! Do you know how to say the verb to do, to make in Italian? Fare, fare. In order to use it, in many cases, we have to know how to conjugate it. This is an irregular verb, but it's not too difficult because the endings of this verb are the same than any regular verb. O if you're talking about yourself, and I pronounced I if you're talking to someone directly in an informal way. What does it mean? First person, I do or I make, which is the same in Italian. Faccio, faccio. Can you say it again? Faccio. But if you are talking to someone directly in an informal way, you say fai, fai. Faccio, I do, I make. Fai, you do, you make. And fare, which means to do, to make. Ready? Expression number 1. Fare la spesa. Fare la spesa. This means to do the shopping, to buy groceries. One example. Oggi faccio la spesa. Oggi, today, faccio, I do, the shopping, la spesa. Let's say it again. Oggi faccio la spesa. Expression number 2. Fare I piatti. Fare I piatti. Fare, to do, the, piatti, dishes. But here we're not going to make dishes, we're going to clean them up. Fare I piatti means to wash up the dishes. One example. Oggi faccio io I piatti. Oggi faccio io I piatti means today it's me who is going to wash up the dishes. Why did I use io? If you have watched my previous videos, you know that you shouldn't normally use it. So when you want to say I do or make, you just say faccio. But here I have to say it, or actually she has to say it, because she's underlining something which is not obvious. So no one says that she should do the dishes. So this is why she says faccio io I piatti. Expression number 3. Fare sport. Fare sport. This is very similar to English, to do sport. One example. Faccio sport ogni giorno. Ogni giorno. Ogni giorno means every day. Faccio sport ogni giorno. Sì, faccio sport ogni giorno. Expression number 4. Fare colazione. Fare colazione. Many people who learn Italian know this expression, but they sometimes forget whether they should use something between fare and colazione. No, fare colazione means to eat breakfast and not to prepare it. This is why it's an expression. Fare colazione means to eat breakfast. For example, di solito, usually, non faccio colazione. Usually, I don't have breakfast. Di solito, non faccio colazione. Once more, say it with me. Di solito, non faccio colazione. Expression number 5. Fare una foto. Fare una foto. In Italian, we don't take pictures. We make them. Fare una foto. Faccio una foto. But a very useful example could be that you are on the street and you want to ask someone to take a picture of you and your friends, and you can say, Mi scusi, ci può fare una foto? Mi scusi, ci può fare una foto? Can you please take a picture of us? I didn't use the word for please. Are we rude? Am I rude? No, in Italian, intonation makes everything. So if you say, ci può fare una foto? No one is going to take a picture for you. If you say, mi scusi, ci può fare una foto? So with a nice intonation, this is how we ask please. Of course, we have a word for please, but very often we use intonation instead of please. Expression number 6. Fare la doccia. Fare la doccia. Fare la doccia means to take a shower. So in Italian you don't take a shower, you make it. If you want to use it, an example, di solito, do you remember? It meant usually. Di solito faccio la doccia la mattina. Usually I take a shower in the morning. Let's repeat it with me. Di solito faccio la doccia la mattina. Expression number 7. Fare un salto. Fare un salto. This is very funny. Fare un salto means to make a jump, but actually means to go somewhere quickly to do something. For example, faccio un salto al supermercato. I'll rush to the supermarket to buy something. Faccio un salto. Isn't it funny? I'll jump. Faccio un salto al supermercato. Let's recap them. Fare la spesa, to do the shopping. Fare i piatti, to wash the dishes. Fare sport, to do sport. Fare colazione, to eat or have breakfast. Fare una foto, to take a picture. Fare la doccia, to take a shower. Fare un salto, to rush somewhere, to go somewhere quickly, come back. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a reminder, if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the thumbs up button. A presto! See you soon! Ciao!